Easy now. Hey! This one na cry, they cry for. My approach now, my approach. I go straight. I go gashi monchani.
I'm leaving your room today. I'm leaving. You.
Rose, wait, calm down, okay? I know how you feel. Rose, calm down, okay? You just...
Please, Didi, stop. Don't ever tell me to calm down. Don't ever tell me to calm down. You've always wanted me to leave your house. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm going back to the village. At least I have a house.
Rose, wait. Please listen to me. Please, you just have to stop. I am sorry. Rose.
Didi, you don't know nothing. You know nothing. Because of you, I've been humiliated like a piece of shit. I should get a boyfriend. I should get a house. I should do this. I should do that. I've always listened to you. Now look how I've messed up myself. I've been messed up. I've been humiliated. Oh God.
I'm sorry.
Oh God, not again. Not again.
Rose.
Not again.
Please calm down. Listen to me. Rose.
I really thought he was different. I mean, I actually thought he was different. So they are all the same? All of them? Then why do I keep falling into the hands of devils? I mean, what have I done wrong? This is just the height of it. This is the height of the frustration. My frustration.
Sister, you just have to stop crying. Crying will not solve anything. Please, you just have to sleep. Try and get some sleep. Because if you break down now, the entire story will change.
Hi.
Please.
Sandra. Sandra. This is the height of it. This is the height of it.
Sister, you'll be fine.
Do you think I thought Ken was different?
Sister.
Hey!
Sister, I know it hurts so bad. But please, try and sleep.
Uche, how do I even close my eyes?
Sister, try.
How do I even close my eyes? My wedding night has turned into a night of torment for me. Hey!
Just let it go.
I can't.
Mama, are you still awake?
Uche,
Mama.
is it morning already?
Mama, it's just 2:30 a.m.
Oh, what a long night. Eh? Get with the abanicha de fuse for being.
Just go and sleep.
Hey, Uche, I can't. I'm not getting myself. Hey. Kachama mfukwa.
Sandra.
I can't go back to the house. My sister will skin me alive.
I don't even advise you do so.
So what should I do? Where do I go from here?
I suggest you stay here for now, till all of these are over. I have faith that it will be over soon.
Are you sure?
I don't even know how sure I am. I'm just being hopeful.
Please, my daughter, if you truly love me, take me to that hotel. I want to see that girl.
Mama, is it necessary?
It's very necessary. I want to see Sandra with my eyes. I know she will be waiting for me to return to the village before she comes back. I am not going anywhere. I will be here waiting for her.
Mama, won't she come back home again?
Which home?
Bia Rose. Rose, you are getting me upset too. If you don't want to take me, call that your taxi driver to come and take me to that hotel. I want to see that girl. I want to see her before leaving. Big old man, please.
Body be like a trailer, we no get break you. When you begin move, to stop am now wow. Your head they go there to wange, your leg to walk go there hang. Body no dey for argument you, body no one know. When body calling, you must answer. When your body's calling, you must say yes sir. Nothing where you go tell them, something they hungry am. You must scratch this scratch.
What are you going to say?
Mama.
Hey, stop me.
Mama, take it
Shut.
easy.
Where is she?
Mama, just hold on.
Calm down what? Mama. Calm down what?
Excuse me, madam. How can I help you?
Where is Sandra, my daughter?
Who is Sandra?
Sandra, my daughter! Sandra!
See, the couple that wedded yesterday in the hotel, the sister to the bride that the husband kept in the hotel, that is the person mom is looking for.
I'm sorry, sir. We don't do like this here. And besides, I was not on duty last night. I only resumed to work this morning.
Then show me the people that are on duty last night. Show me the people. Show me the people that is on duty.
Calm down. You are shouting. Please, this is a hotel. You are.
I will shout this whole place down. Show me my daughter. Show me. Hey!
Hello, Auntie Rose. We're already at the hotel and the receptionist refused to show us the room number.
There!
Please, can you tell us the room number because I'm here with your mom. Oh, okay.
Sandra! Open this door.
It's my mother. Oh. Don't open it. It's my mother. She wants to kill me. She wants to kill me. Please, don't open.
I said you should open this door before I break it down.
Don't go. Don't go. Don't listen to her. She will kill me. Please. Please.
Sandra, what are you still doing there?
Don't open. Please, don't open. She wants to kill me.
Look, you don't solve a problem by running away from it. You have to face it squarely. Okay?
Open this door. Open this door now. I will break this door down. Oh.
Open it. No. Just be strong. Okay?
Okay, yes.
Just be strong.
Open this door. What are they still waiting for? Open this door before I break it down. What are both of you still doing here? Sandra! Sandra! Is this place the all-night choir rehearsal you told us you are going to? And what are you doing here then? Sandra! Hey! You will not kill me! Oh. Hey! Sandra, you running away? You are running away, Abby? Okay. You will come home and meet me. And you? Hey! Hey! What are you? What are you? Choir master or music director? Which one? Can't keep up. Open your mouth and talk. I said talk, then talk. Hey! Oh my God! Hey! Hey! You people have finished me. Who the who come pata pata? Who the? Oh God! What will I do? Chibo! Sandra killed me! Oh! Sandra killed me! Oh! Sandra!
Joe, you have to believe me. I love Rose with all my life. I love my wife so much. I didn't bargain for all of this. What do we do?
So, what is the remedy now?
That's exactly why I called you.
You see, Ken, I would advise you go to that room and explain everything to that woman. In the circumstance, she's the only one that can help you now. You see, if you end up winning her heart now that she's still with us, Ken, you automatically win back your marriage. Give it a deep thought. I mean, think about it.
Thanks, man.
What are friends for? What are friends for? If you're happy, I'm happy.
I just pray she listens to me.
She will listen. Take the bold step first. Okay? She will.
Appreciate it.
I'm good. Just be fine, okay?
Appreciate it.
Pleasure, okay? Just take it easy on yourself.
Mama, please. Mama, please, I'm begging you. Please. It's was not intentional, Mama. I'm sorry. It was the devil's work. Oh.
Did I hear you say devil? Devil? Was it the devil that told you to go and open your legs for your sister's husband, Sandra? Sandra, was it the devil that told you to run away yesterday after wedding instead of sleeping and resting after a hectic day? Sandra, was it also the devil that told you to lie to us that you are going for all-night choir rehearsal? Was it the devil also, Sandra? Hi, Timo! Hey!
Mama, it was the devil.
Mama. What did I just hear you say? You call me mother. Do I look like your mother? If your pussy told you, can you pure for Adam wife?
Mama, please. The deed has been done. We are both ashamed of what we did. All we have to be thinking now is the best way to remedy this situation. The best way to heal the wounded soul and not to keep apportioning blames. Please, Mama.
What do you think that can be done in this situation? What?
Now you're talking, Mama. I was thinking.
This is not a prayer matter, no matter how you pray. If you know settle nobody, wahala go there, you need some some romance, some ta-ta-ta, some touching. Anyhow we be, body no one know. When body calling, you must answer. When your body's calling, you must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them, something they hungry am. You must scratch this, scratch you, body no one know. Scratch it, you must answer. Body calling, you must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them, something they hungry am. You must scratch this, scratch you, body no one know. When body don't charge you must answer. It's not easy to hold body. You must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them, something they hungry am. You must scratch this, scratch you, body no one know. Your body want to ebonge, you must answer. Kebebo we open and sorry.
Rose, you can't even listen to your mom. You cannot listen to me. What have I done to you? Eh? Eh? Hey! Rose. My daughter, you can't continue like this. You have to give peace chance. Please.
Mama, what peace are you talking about?
Can you listen to that young man? Can you hear him out, at least for a second?
What does he have to say? Can you give me one reason why I should listen to him?
He loves you. He still loves you, yes.
That is your definition of love?
I know when a man is in love. It is true that men are promiscuous in nature, but their hearts always belongs to that particular one they love. Please, my daughter, Biko.
Mama, I will not. I do not want to see him in this house. If he steps his feet in this house, only God knows what I will do to him. Possibly set him ablaze.
What about your sister?
I do not have a sister.
Hey!
Sister Rose.
Hi! Now I know that this devil, he came at the right time.
Yes, Mama.
But Akagebianana.
Amen.
Akagebianana.
Amen.
He will not succeed. Devil will not succeed in this my family. Amen. At all. It can never work. Jidu Mazim Tisa. Hey!
Mama, it's okay.
I can sit here.
It's okay.
What will I do? Who will I talk to? Hey! My enemy will laugh at me.
Mama, it's okay.
They will laugh at me.
It's okay. God will intervene.
Irachibuom. I said, come inside. Come inside. Come inside.
Sister Rose, please forgive me. I'm sorry, please.
She's inside.
Please.
Yes.
Sister.
Wait.
Mama.
My daughter.
Why did you allow this thing into this house?
Please.
You want me to commit murder?
No.
Okoya?
No.
You want me to kill somebody?
No.
Okoya?
No.
No problem.
Rose.
Hey, Mama. No problem.
Please don't kill Mama. Ask her to leave this house. Hey. Please. Don't kill your sister.
Mama, ask her to leave.
Please. Listen to me. Ask her to leave this house. Hey. Please.
Ask her to leave this house, Mama. Ask her to leave.
Sandra, leave.
Run.
I said run.
Mama, ask her to leave. I want her to kill me. Mama, ask her to leave. Sister, kill me. Sister, I deserve to die. I don't need to live again. My life, I'm tired of my life. Sister, kill me. Sister, kill me.
Uche. Kill your sister. You have hurt her. Then kill her. Uche, leave her. Don't hold me high again. Rose. What are you waiting for? Hey. Come and kill her. Oh. Come and kill her. Come and kill her. Oh. Come and kill her. Come and kill her. Oh. Come and kill her. Hey. Hey.
You have the right to be angry with me. You have the right to be mad. I know I hurt you, but believe me, it's an honest mistake. Forgive me for all time's sake. mistake.
Sister, I have sinned against God and against you. I have sinned against you. I have sinned against our bloodline. And I have sinned against our family's belief. I deserve to die. Please kill me. If killing me will ease your pain, I will die happily knowing that you've forgiven me. Sister, please. I know that what I've done, even in 100 years to come, you cannot forget it. Sister, please, just kill me. If killing me will wash away the pain in your heart, do it, I beg
Sandra,
you.
if you want to die, go outside and look for somebody to kill you. I am not a murderer.
Sister, please forgive me.
Leave my room.
I can't live with this guilt in my heart.
Get out of my room.
Sister, please.
Get out! Get out! Get out!
Sister, I'm begging you, please forgive me.
I said get out!
Stuff like that happens. But you know what? Time is the greatest healer.
Are you sure time will heal this wound?
Of course. Trust me on this.
If she leaves me, Joe, I am ruined. Believe me when I say my life will have no meaning without her in my life.
Ken, I would advise you calm down. The Rose I know loves you a lot, so much. And I believe she will forgive you. It's just a question of time. Sure.
Are you sure?
Sure. You see, all you need is just give her a little space, like the mother advised. Rose will forgive you. Love conquers all.
Stomach, don't you?
I don't eat though. My stomach. I want to start going.
Go practice?
Yes.
Be careful. Don't stay up late.
I won't. Start, bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Which stomach are you watching? This one, this one.
This your sister first seen, man.
Did you see a vision?
What's Did you think she's still a virgin?
Yes, she is still a virgin. What do you mean? Let me tell you something. This particular girl, of all of us my mother gave birth to, she took after my mother when it comes to loving God and the things of God. So, in the village, she was so engrossed in the things of God, church and all of those things, that people thought she was going to be a nun. So none of the boys had the effrontery to go to her and say, Afron Gunaya. Nobody.
Don't forget, she's no longer in the village. She's now in the city and you must be daft to believe that this lady I just saw right now is still a virgin.
She's still a virgin. Don't come and spoil my sister for me, I beg you. Yes.
So now, I mean, they spoil her, maybe.
Yes, no. Because I beg you. This one doesn't know. The only thing in this one's head is God and choir practice.
Okay.
Finished.
You will tell me now.
Are you eating or not?
I'm not eating. You want to kill me with food?
Virgin sniffer.
Yes, I smell her.
Are you a virgin?
I smell her. I'm telling you. I smell her.
Virgin sniffer.
Okay.
Am I a virgin? What kept you?
He's the butcher man, no. The butcher man, he was the one that delayed me. He was busy telling me that his meat is on the way, and I was waiting.
And he collected your phone from you. I've been calling you and your phone has been switched off.
Hi. Sister, sorry, I did not know that my phone was switched off.
Go and prepare the food.
Oh, sorry, sister. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
What are you thinking?
Your sister.
What about her?
Rose, she just lied to you.
Why would you say that?
She's just some senior man.
Okay. You are taking this sniffing thing to another level.
Don't tell me you don't know when a girl is just from having sex a few minutes ago.
You sniff it out? Juliet, Sandra is not that type of child. I'm telling you, I'm sure the sweat and all the panting is from running to get here, so I don't get upset with her.
Okay, I won't talk again.
Sniffer. She honestly is not that type of a child. And to show you how much I trust her, I can actually let her move in with me after my wedding with Ken.
That would be the dumbest thing you ever imagined.
I didn't say I would do it. I'm just explaining to you the extent to which I trust her. She can stay with us and I won't feel threatened or scared about anything. Because I know that if Ken tries anything, she will not succumb and she'll report to me.
You better don't try it to save your marriage.
I didn't say I'm doing it, Sniffer. I said I could and not be scared or threatened.
Okay. But I'm still sniffing it. I'm telling you, yes. Okay, I'm sniffing yourself.
Me what?
I'm sniffing.
Yeah, look at the fabric, I beg you.
I like this one.
The fabric, right?
How will be that?
Open the gate!
Do it again.
What did you mean by me again?
Sorry, ma. I just say now. Sorry. No worry. Sorry.
Mike.
Ma.
Has your Oga told you that him and I are getting married?
Yes, ma.
Awesome. So that means that this is my house.
Yes, ma.
And I can come in and go out whenever I want.
Yes, ma.
So we have to be friends, right?
Yes, ma. Thank you, ma.
Awesome. High five. Okay.
Thank you.
So please open the gate for the car outside to come in.
Yes, ma.
And then we're good.
Madam. Madam, you are welcome. My madam. Thank you, ma. Welcome. Okay.
Awesome.
You, madam.
Baby.
Hi.
Fine. How are you?
Good. I miss you, so I said to drop by.
I miss you too. I hope you know we're not doing anything.
Oh God, no, I just really wanted to spend time with you. You know, just lie down here.
I know, but I still maintain we keep to our promise, right? You're going to thank me after our wedding night.
Hopefully. And yes, I do remember the promise.
Okay, baby, you know, it takes love to get married, but it takes discipline to stay happily married.
Okay.
We just have to keep maintaining the disciplinary measures, okay? It's not like we've not been doing it. Of course we have over the years, but I just want us to stay till our wedding night, okay? It's beautiful like that.
I know. And thank you, Lord, for giving me a romantic man, the one who fears you and wouldn't do anything till our wedding night. I honestly appreciate that about you.
And I keep thanking God for giving me an understanding woman like you.
Awesome. I really love you and I appreciate you for that. I love you more. Where are you going? Sit.
Why don't you get you something to eat?
Not anything. I just want to stare at you.
God has blessed me.
Body be like a trailer, we no get break you. When you begin move, to stop am now wow. Your head they go there to wange, your leg to walk go there hang. Body no dey for argument you, body no one know. When body calling, you must answer. When your body's calling, you must say yes sir. Nothing where you go tell him.
I just hope he's not seeing another woman behind my back. God, I hope he's telling me the truth. I hope he's not tired of me to the extent that he doesn't even care when I'm naked. Because I know that sometimes the spirit is willing but the flesh is weak. Please, God.
When your body calling, you must answer. It be like say body want something, you must say yes sir. Nothing where you go tell them, something they hungry am. You must scratch, they scratch you, body no one know. This is not a prayer matter, no matter how you pray. If you know settle body, wahala go there, you need some some romance, some ta-ta-ta, some touching. Anyhow we be, body no one know. When body calling, you must answer. When your body's calling, you must say yes sir. Nothing where you go tell them, something they hungry am. You must scratch, they scratch you, body no one knows.
Sandra. So it was you all this while. And I didn't know it. Oh, Juliet was against you. I still didn't believe her. I shunned her countless times. Sule the gatekeeper tried to tell me that someone like me just left and I still didn't believe. I didn't even think about it. I was so dumb I didn't catch it. All in the name of one stupid love. Sandra, why? Why? What wrong have I done to you? All I did was give you a better life. What wrong did I do by giving you every single good thing that life has to offer when our parents couldn't afford it? Why, Sandra? Why?
But believe me, it's a I'm sorry, forgive me for old time's sake.
Just checking to be sure I'm not forgetting anything.
Okay, ma. Everything here is 9,850 naira.
Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to get my card.
Sorry, ma. Please, can you be fast so I can attend to the person behind?
No. You can just go over out.
No, just sort yourself out. Ladies first.
No, I'll take time because I can't find my ATM card. Let's go ahead.
You know what? Just add hers to mine and
Okay.
sort everything.
No, you honestly don't have to. I actually stay down the street. I'll just go home, get my card and come back for the items.
It's needless. I already told her to do that. It's nothing.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sorry, I was so certain I took my card.
Okay, sir. Everything here is 22,500.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's nothing.
Excuse me. I'm sorry. I just confirmed from my sister now. My card is actually home.
Oh.
Thank you so much, but I was wondering how I could balance you, like refund.
Why are you owing me?
Okay,
Come
thank
on,
you.
You don't need to balance me. I just did what I did because I saw probably you look stranded or something.
Thank you.
It's all right.
Do you mind if I have your number just to say thank you?
Don't charge it, you must answer. It's not easy to hold body. You must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry. You must scratch, they scratch you. Body no one know.
You. The supermarket last week. Forgot my card. Will you pay for my stuff?
Oh, what's up?
Good. Great. That's the guy I told you helped me pick my bills when I forgot my card. He's cute. Juliet. But he's cute. I'm sorry, my friend Juliet.
Oh, hi. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
Me? Don't tell me you guys didn't. No. There was actually no time to. Yes, and then just so we're, on the same page, I wanted your number the other day just so I could call back and say thank you, not for any other thing. I was just a bit worried you misunderstood me.
No, it's okay, but I refuse giving you the number because I don't want you to look like I'm expecting something in return for helping someone in trouble.
Also, you're right. Your refusal was odd, but I just said to, I just didn't want you to misunderstand why I asked for your number.
No, it's okay. It's alright.
Just say thank you.
Sorry. So I'm Ken.
Rose.
Rose.
Uh-huh.
Such a beautiful name.
Oh, only Rose's name is beautiful. Okay.
Alright, nice to meet you.
Hi, nice. Oh, Rose.
Pleasure.
Cecily.
And
Juliet.
Juliet, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, cutie.
Can I?
Oh, yeah,
So I see y'all taking time out to chill or something.
Yes, close from work. Set to have some girly chats. And I'm so grateful. I really appreciate what you did that.
I get it. So if you don't mind, can I have your number?
Yeah. 080 3. Alright, you can have ours.
No, not yours. So tell me more about yourself.
So what else do you want to know about me?
Your relationship life, love life, family, if you've got siblings, generally.
Any reason in particular why you want to know everything in one day?
Why not? We can. Let's talk.
But I was thinking, like one step at a time-ish. Like, you just can't know everything in one day.
Okay, fine. It's alright. Let's talk about relationship then. And talk about the rest next time. Your Majesty.
How you?
What about me?
As if you don't know.
I don't know. Seriously.
Okay. I mean, like, all my life I've dated just one person. We dated for a very long time. And then we parted ways.
You guys talk about what happened?
Nothing. We just weren't compatible, We knew that if we get married, it would be a mistake. So, we broke it off.
Oh, I see. Okay. I see. So, where's the guy now?
Married, happily.
Oh.
Well, good for him, right? So, what else do you want to know about me?
Alright, so I was wondering if we can go for my best friend's party, birthday party tomorrow night.
Aren't you supposed to go there with your girlfriend?
Because I don't have one. Don't say no, please.
Okay.
Anyhow we be, body no wonder. When body calling, you must answer.
How we going? I'll drop you. No, I'll call my cab man. No, I'll drop you.
Something they
okay. This way.
Scratch you, body no wonder. Scratch it, you must answer. Hey. Body calling, you must say yes. Nothing way.
Okay, you said T Junction. We are here. So which way?
Right.
Right.
No.
Right.
No, left.
Left.
Straight.
What are you saying? You said left, right. Which way?
Thinking left.
Left.
Maybe right.
Oh, jeez. Please, is there like a landmark close to the place?
Right.
Right.
Then to the left.
Wow.
Straight.
When body don't charge, you must answer. It's not easy to hold body. You must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them. Something they hungry. You must scratch you. Body no wonder. You must scratch this, scratch you. Body no one scratching, scratching, to answer it, scratching. Servicing, servicing, like something. You must scratch this, scratch you. Body no one you must answer. You must say yes. Nothing where you can. Something you must scratch this, scratch you. You must answer.
1, 2.
You must say yes. Nothing where you can. Something you must scratch this, scratch you. You must answer. You must say yes. Nothing where you go tell them. Something the Hungarian. You must scratch this, scratch you. Body no one know. Body no one know.
Ken?
Oh, it's morning already.
Yes, it's morning already. What did you do? Rape?
Rape?
Yes.
What do you mean, rape?
When you take advantage of somebody in their drunken state without their consent, that now is rape.
I don't like it when a lady talks like this. You were drunk yesterday night. I did everything I could to take you back home, but I couldn't. I don't know the way to your house. Was I supposed to leave you on the streets?
How about you put me in one of your empty rooms since you have 6 in this building, other than your own bedroom?
Well, I was drunk too. I wasn't thinking straight. Don't you understand that?
Huh.
Yeah, I mean, you should understand that.
No, I don't.
Okay, I'm sorry, my bad. But you should stop sounding this way. It's not as if you're still a virgin.
I am a person, a woman, a human being. It means before you have anything to do with me, it has to be with my consent. Anything other than that is abuse and rape.
I'm sorry. You're right. The truth is, I wasn't thinking straight. The only thing that came on my mind is just take you to my bedroom so you can have enough sleep, and that was it.
Don't.
Nice. I like it. Nice.
You like?
Yes, I like it. Mild. It's really nice, like.
You see, I've been looking for the best way to propose to a queen like you, and I came up with this. You're amazing. I keep thanking God for the day we met. I keep thanking Him for making you forget your ATM. Because without that, you wouldn't have been here today. I wouldn't have known how beautiful soul that you are. I love you. You're the best thing that has ever happened to me. Every day is like a new day to me. On this day, I plead for you to walk walk with me in this forever journey together?
Yes. Yes.
I'm sorry.
Oh my God. I love you. Honey. Ah. That was
No! Like, it was.
Do it again.
Okay, here we go. Again. Lily. Marry me.
Yes.
Thank you.
You.
I know. You don't need to say it.
You're a bad person.
Am I? No. I can't see myself letting her go. No. 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 I can't leave her. I can't let her go.
Believe me, Rose, Ken really loves you. He loves you so much.
Juliet. He loves me and he was sleeping with my baby sister behind my back. That's true love, right?
I know it's not easy to understand, but it's possible for a man to still love you and cheat on you. Yes.
I don't want that kind of love. Juliet, I do not want a cheat as a husband. Look, it's hard for me, but this marriage is over. It can't work.
Fine. Please, can you just hear him out? Even if you don't want to continue with the marriage again.
No.
Just this once. And
No.
after that, you can make your own decision.
I told you I do not want to see him.
Please, Rose.
No.
Rosie, please.